Hey everyone, so here is Atomic Credit Union app. Recently there are a lot of articles about it and it's getting quite popular in finance category on App Store. And yeah, so this is the Atomic Credit Union mobile app and you can manage your accounts as you go. You can deposit checks via remote deposit capture, pay your bills, transfer funds, external transfers, card on-off functions and alerts. So just tap get and then you will be able to install this app. So yeah, there you have it. So the size is like 78 megabytes. Yeah, it's a free app developed by Atomic Credit Union. And let's just open. And then there you have it. That's how you log in here. You can also tap here to do registration. And this is a mobile registration. You can select an option, personal, business, or other entity, and then you need to enter date of birth, full social security number, desired username, password, confirm password, and tap register. And there you have it. So these are the options you will need to select. If you select business, you will need to enter EIN or SSN numbers. So yeah, again, for personal account, you will need a full social security number. So yeah, this app is available in the United States and you need to be like a resident and have SSN in order to use that app. And then you just proceed with creating an account and there you have it. Hope it was helpful.